Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I'm the Pool Professor, and today we're going to talk about all things salt cells. We're going to talk about how to maintain and clean your salt cell. There's a couple tools you're going to want to have for the different types of salt cells, and these are products we sell in our store. This is for a Hayward cleaning cell. This is for a Jandy. And then this one is for Pentair. And today we're gonna do a Pentair cell on the job, and then I'll show you how to do the other cells also. First and foremost, you wanna make sure that the equipment is turned off. You can do that by turning off the breaker. Next, I like to use these. This is a Husky tool that's made for oil filters and PVC. So this makes it a little easier to take the cell apart. Okay, so you want to inspect it. This one's pretty clean, but we're going to go ahead and give it a light acid wash. So the recommendation is muriatic acid. And